Hey everyone, I'm Sue and welcome back for another episode of Does This Notion Really Work? And in today's episode, I'm going to introduce you to the Ruler Roundup by Doohikey Designs. The creative genius behind Doohikey Designs is Shari Butler. She's been a fabric designer and a pattern designer since 2008, but lately she's been focusing her attention on notion design. It was in 2017 that she designed the ruler roundups, and she really designed them to kind of contain all of the rulers that we collect. I mean, I have tons of rulers, and a lot of them are kind of hidden and stored underneath places because I just don't have the counter space. But the ruler roundups definitely provide that solution of keeping your rulers all contained, and what's really cool is if you have two ruler roundups, you can use them as bookends. This way it doubles the usefulness of your tabletop area. There are two different sizes of the ruler roundups. There's the domestic one and the long arm one. The long arm ruler roundup does have thicker grooves for those long arm rulers. However, I think it's worth mentioning that the two back grooves only will fit domestic rulers. And both sizes come in aqua, red, green, and pink. Today we're going to be talking about the domestic size. First thing you'll notice is the box is really nice and the packaging inside really does protect the ruler roundup. Remove the inside packaging and go ahead and remove that box and discard it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ruler roundup. First of all, you'll notice that it weighs 3.8 pounds and it's got a really nice heft to it. At the very top, you'll see 7 different slots. There's 2 on the tall portion and 5 on the bottom. It's 6 inches tall and it is 5.5 inches deep and 11 3/4 inches long. You'll also notice that it is 1 1/4 inches thick all the way around. And now it's time to show you how to fill up your ruler roundup. I'm actually going to start with a couple of different templates and rulers, and you know what's really cool is you can kind of just reposition things and make room for rotary cutter mats too. You'll notice that you can get a lot in the space and just kind of rotate things and shift things around so that you can get even more inside your ruler roundup. The whole idea is to make it more functional and have lots of stuff in a tiny space. Especially for me, and I have a tiny sewing area, this works out really great. I'm able to get a ton of stuff in a really small area. And if you have 2 ruler roundups, you can use them as bookends and double your space for holding all your rulers. So what did you think of that? Pretty cool way to decorate and also organize your sewing space. So now you're probably wondering, where can you get your very own ruler roundups? Well, you can go ahead and follow the link in the description below and it'll bring you right to Doohikey Designs' website. And for your chance to win your very own ruler roundups, go ahead and leave a comment below letting me know which is your favorite color, and we will randomly draw one of you lucky folks to win your very own ruler roundup. And if you like this video and want to see more things like this, go ahead and do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. You can also make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. You can join my weekly newsletter. You can also follow me on Instagram at doohikeydesigns. And of course, you can come and join the fun at our Facebook fan club. It's just doohikeydesigns fan club. All the information is in the description below. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye.